We've come a long way in this QGIS series from understanding basic layers to styling maps, running spatial analysis, and even using machine learning. But what if you had to bring everything together into one professional, publish-ready GIS map? In this final project, we'll build a complete GIS workflow starting from raw data and ending with a polished map you could confidently submit as a report. This project mirrors exactly what GIS professionals do in planning agencies, research labs, NGOs, and consulting firms. Step 1. Import raw data. We'll begin with raw vector and raster data. Boundaries. Roads, schools, hospitals, and raster layers like DEMS or satellite bands. Load each dataset into QGIS. Make sure everything uses the same coordinate reference system. And organize layers into logical groups like basemap analysis. An output clean structure at the start saves hours later. Step 2. Spatial analysis. Yes. First, we clip all layers to our study boundaries so we're only working within our area of interest. Next, we create buffer zones, for example, a 2-kilometer buffer around hospitals to analyze service coverage. Using raster data, we calculate NDVI with the force red, giving us vegetation health across the region. And finally, we apply kernel density to visualize patterns, such as the concentration of schools or facilities. This is where raw data becomes meaningful insight. Step 3. Symbology and styling. Analysis alone isn't enough. Your results need to be readable. We apply categorized symbology for roads, clear point symbols for schools and hospitals, and intuitive color ramps for NDVI and density layers. Green tones represent healthy vegetation. Warmer colors highlight high-density areas. And transparency helps layers work together instead of competing. A professional map balances accuracy with clarity. Step 4. Print layout and export. Now we turn our map into a final. In the print layout, we add a map frame, legend, scale bar, north arrow, labels, and data source credits. This is where your GIS work becomes something you can present, submit, or publish. Finally, we export the map as a PDF or image clean, professional, and ready to CTA. And that's it, your first professional GIS map built completely from scratch in QGIS. You now have the skills to handle vector data, raster analysis, symbology, automation concepts, and even machine learning workflows. If you found this series helpful, like the video, subscribe to GeoCortex AI, and share it with your GIS community. The future of intelligent mapping starts with you. Keep exploring, keep mapping, and I'll see you in the